Looking for a security camera that you can install once and never worry about again? Meet the Eufy SoloCam S220, the wire-free, solar-powered camera that delivers powerful protection without the hassle.
Thanks to built-in solar charging, the SoloCam S220 keeps its battery full with as little as 3 hours of sunlight a day. That means no climbing up ladders to recharge, and no downtime.
Whether it's noon or midnight, your footage will stay sharp. With an f/1.6 aperture and infrared night vision, you'll get crystal clear images around the clock.
Installation is a breeze. The compact, wire-free design lets you place the camera just about anywhere. All it takes is one screw and a few minutes, and you're done.
The built-in AI knows when it sees a person, not just a tree blowing in the wind. And if you pair it with Eufy's Homebase 3, you'll even get facial recognition that tells you exactly who's on your property.
With Eufy, there are no monthly fees. You get on-device storage and local AI detection, meaning your security is private, reliable, and fully yours.
Want to take the hassle out of home security? Tap the link in the description to check out the Eufy SoloCam S220 today.